Hey everybody, Miss Paraso here. So we are going digital, and I know it might be a little stressful to kind of figure out what's going on. So we will figure this out together. We are going to persevere, so no problem with that. So what I wanted to do really quick with you is on our day when we do learning is that through Microsoft Teams, we can actually have a live video conference and have a chance to ask questions and things of that nature. So I just learned how to do this, so it's a bit of a learning curve. And in case any of you have not used Microsoft Teams and weren't familiar with what to do, I wanted to walk you through it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, hopefully I remember the steps. Okay, so I'm going to show you my screen on what you're going to be doing there. Let me see, I think I have to minimize this. Okay. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do, ignore this part there, okay, is go ahead and you can type in Microsoft Teams. That is not what I came up. Okay, so if you just go to Microsoft Teams, whatever might pop up, don't do any of these add things. So you just want to go to Microsoft Teams. Oh, I'm on images. I was searching images earlier. My bad. Let's start that over. Okay. Microsoft Teams. This is not when I did the initial search that happened. Well, this is a horrible way to kind of go from that. Microsoft. Office Teams. Let's see there. There we go. Okay, Microsoft Teams. Well, anyway, you just click in, and it's going to ask you to sign up. If you know how to get in there and sign up, awesome. I'm going with the assumption you are like me. And I have it bookmarked. That's just me. So if you don't have it bookmarked, you're going to go ahead and click sign in, okay? And it will automatically sign you in, all right? What you are looking for, so this will not pop up on yours. You want to go ahead and into your teams, and you should have like all of these different teams. Now, what you may have already been placed in, like all of these are my each individual classes, but we're not meeting as an individual class. We're meeting as all 5 classes together at one time. So this really doesn't help me out to meet with you all at once. So I have gone ahead and created a Math 8 for us. Now, the link that I posted on Edmodo and my website will give you access to this. So you're going to want to go ahead and just click join or do whatever. You are signing in with your school ID and password that way. And then we're going to figure it out together, but I'm going to go and do a meeting, and I can do a video meeting with y'all, and you can sign in and we can record it. So that's kind of what we're going to do here. I may put some posts and files here, but we really use our OneNote. I'm not really sure how I sync, if I can sync our OneNote here, but any files or documents that you're going to want to need are going to be in our OneNote. So let me just pull that up for you. Okay, so I will eventually create a new tab for you in your OneNote for Unit 9 transformations. You should have everything you need for Unit 8, Pythagorean theorem and angles. We're really going to focus on just doing some Khan Academy stuff, but I encourage you to go back to, remember this worksheet that we flew through yesterday on Thursday? I encourage you to go through, do that one. This is the back. Actually work through those problems. And the key is there. So you've got the key in my work. So that way, kind of start thinking about what questions you have. I've gone ahead and put a Unit 8 study guide in there to kind of go back and review as well. Khan Academy will do that, right? I will put the answer key in there as well. Okay, so I will have the answer key so you can see work. Again, I would try to do all of this. Okay, I would try to do all of this stuff before our meeting on Wednesday. So our first time that we're going to meet is, or at least I'm going to be live, available for questions, is Wednesday, March 18th. That's the plan as of right now. Okay, so I would make sure that you kind of start working through the assignment. I know I'll be posting it, and I think our scheduled time will be 9 to 11. I'll be near my computer, but I'm thinking that my thought process is at 10 o'clock I will sign on and do a meeting, and or 10:30, and like from 10 to 10:30 I will be live and kind of talking through any points that I think that we need to cover. This box is following me. You probably can see it. Whee! Because I just needed a camera mode so that way I could talk to you. Okay. All right. Well, that is it for now. So stay tuned. Make sure that you join the Microsoft Teams. We all want to be under the one that says Math 8, Mrs. Pariseau. So I know this way I can also check in to see who is checking in and logging in and coming to the meetings to make sure that we are all understanding what to do. All right. So we will figure this out together, guys, and we got this. Bye.